Welcome to this quick tutorial where I'll show you how to upload photos to Google Drive from your Android or iPhone device. It's a straightforward process, so let's get started. Begin by opening the Google Drive app on your device. Ensure you're logged into your Google account. Look for the plus icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to bring up a menu of options. From the menu, select Upload. This will give you the option to browse through your device's files. In the file browser, navigate to Photos and Videos, or directly to your device's gallery. Tap on the photos you want to upload to Google Drive. You can select multiple photos if needed. After selecting your photos, tap on Upload. The photos will begin uploading to your Google Drive account. The time taken will depend on the size and number of photos, as well as your internet connection speed. Once uploaded, you'll receive a notification confirming that your photos have been successfully uploaded to Google Drive. That's it. You've now learned how to upload photos to Google Drive from your Android or iPhone device. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.